New features in Photoshop CC make your creative work processes easier than ever. With painting improvements, you can organize your brushes, both legacy and new, in the order that you want, scale the brush stroke preview, and save brush presets. And we've improved reaction time, which means you won't be slowed down by lagging brushes. Refining brush strokes is so much easier. You can vary the amount of smoothing in your imagery for a more polished look. This gives you more control over your work. You can track along the edge of an image, creating these smooth lines even when you're working with a mouse. The new curvature pen tool is similar to the one found in Illustrator CC. You can push and pull segments directly instead of modifying the Bezier handles. Create a path quickly from elements in your design. Choose the color and the line thickness of your paths to make them easier to see. And you can double-click to switch between point types. And also, Adobe Stock is now integrated with a Properties panel. You can search Adobe Stock to find similar images and keep track of asset details, including title and license state. You also have the ability to view and edit type contextual properties. These are just some of the new features in Photoshop CC.